Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video I will be talking about this Globus glycolic and salicylic acid face wash. I am using this face wash for a long time, and in today's video I will be giving you the product information. I will be talking about the ingredients of the product and then what the product claims, then the points that you should remember when you use any AHA and BHA face wash, and then definitely I am going to show you the application and then I'll talk about my opinion. So yeah, just stay tuned and keep on watching. First and foremost guys, this is the cheapest AHA BHA face wash available right now in the market, at least according to my knowledge. And the best part of this face wash is it is written over here, it is for all skin types. The quantity which you will be getting in the face wash is 100 ml. It is priced as rupees 145 and the shelf life of this product is 2 years. So before talking about the ingredients, I just hope that you guys know everything about AHAs and BHAs, because I was a person who didn't know much about these AHAs and BHAs. So what I did, I searched a little bit in the internet and then acquired some knowledge, became an internet scholar overnight, and then made a video on that. That video is live on my channel guys, so I will provide the link up there. If you want to know more about these AHAs and BHAs, you can get a little bit help from there, and there are lots and lots of videos over the net, but my one is a little bit simple because I'm a beginner in this, Now let's talk about the ingredients of this face wash. Now this face wash is having glycolic acid. Yes, glycolic acid 2%. Okay. Now where the net says that glycolic acid is effective if the percentage is somewhere from 7 to 15. I am not telling anything, the net is telling that guys. I am not a dermatologist. I am a YouTuber who is supposed to give an honest review to you. So I researched a bit and I found out this. Now this product is having salicylic acid. Now salicylic acid, the percentage which it is having is 1%, and that is quite okay. If the salicylic acid has to work on your skin, then the percentage should be 0.5 to 2%, and it is having 1%. And next it is having aloe vera. Okay, now the aloe vera which it is having in 5%. Now if you are someone who is allergic to aloe vera, you need to think twice before using this face wash. Now the next ingredient which it is having, that is vitamin E. Guys, I have talked about this glycolic acid and salicylic acid. In a nutshell, I am telling you glycolic acid is very good for dry skin and salicylic acid is good for people who are dealing with oily skin and having acne problems. Now let's talk about the product claims. The product claims that it is going to help you to get rid of your hyperpigmentation. It is going to lighten your skin tone, and it is going to help you to deal with your acne scars. These are the claims of this product. Now there are some points guys that you have to remember while you are using any AHA, BHA based products. It can be anything, I am talking about this face wash right now, but if you are using any toner, any cream, for that also you have to remember certain things. Now AHA, BHA products, what they do, these acids, glycolic acid and salicylic acid, they make your skin very photosensitive. And how they do that? See, this is the outer layer of our skin, right? It is having a lot of dead cells which I can't see from my naked eyes. So when I am washing my face with this face wash, what it is doing, it is just shedding out my dead cells from the outer layer of my skin, in simple words. Now when this outer layer is removing, while it is removing, what is coming out? Our new skin. In that time, our face, our skin is so photosensitive. So if you go out in the sun bare skin without putting out any sunscreen, you are just harming your skin guys. You are just harming your skin, and I have seen so many people doing that. They are using very good products, but AHA, BHA based products, they are feeling so good, but they are going out in the sun without a sunscreen. So you should apply and reapply sunscreen whenever you used any AHA, BHA product. Don't think that it is just a face wash. I'm washing it out, I don't have to put sunscreen, but you have to put sunscreen, trust me. Right now your skin is not reacting, that is well and good, but if your luck is bad, the reaction will show up sooner or later. And one more thing is important, guys. Since this product is having AHA BHA, you are not supposed to wash your face and take this face wash too close to your eyes. You should leave this areas. It is not good that you bring it close to your eyes. That is also a point that you should remember while using any AHA or BHA products. Now it's time for the application, and I'm going to show you the product, everything, how it looks like. Yeah, so let's begin. I'm going to open this face wash and show you all how it looks like. Now this is having a gel like consistency. As you can see, it is not very thick, it is quite runny, and it is having some very mild scrubs in it. So guys, this is how my skin is looking right now. So have a closer look. Sorry. So yeah, this is it, and this is how it is looking. It is squeaky clean, I can tell you that. I know what you're waiting for. You're waiting for that my opinion, right? You're waiting to see whether I have liked this product or not. I will talk about it, but before proceeding further, I'd like to remind you something, guys, that I'm a different person. My skin type is different. My skin reacts to different products differently. Too many difference, but it's different, right? You might like this face wash, yeah, then you are good to go, okay? But if you expect the same opinion from me, then the opinion might differ, because I'm again a different person. So please keep this in mind when you're watching this review. And I am supposed to share my honest reviews to help people around me who is having a similar skin type, right? That is very important. What type of skin type I am having. So my skin type is dry, guys. So keep this in mind, okay? Now let's talk about some good things about this face wash. The first thing is the affordability of this face wash, where you're going to get AHA BHA face wash at rupees 145. I have never seen, when I googled it first time, all the face washes which are popping up on my screen were about 350, 400, 450, and the range was just going up. So this is one thing. It is very cheap, affordable. I really liked it. And the ingredients, salicylic acid, glycolic acid, both are very promising. I don't know much about the percentage. Whatever I knew, I told you guys, okay? Now the fragrance which this face wash is having, I really loved it. I liked it. It's having a very mild fragrance, you guys, and the scrub particles which is having, it is so mild. It's just just melting in your skin. There are few products I have got the similar feeling that a face wash is having a scrub and the scrub is melting in your skin. This is, I think, the second product I got the same feeling. And there is a product from, I think, Biotica Bio Papaya face wash. That is also really good. That is not a AHA BHA face wash. I'm not promoting the product on my channel. I just talked about how the granules are. Granules are very, very soft. It is not going to harm your skin in that way. Now let's talk about myself, okay? Now the thing is that, guys, it's meant for all skin types. It's written here, I think you can see. Now my skin type is dry, I told you that, but whenever I use this face wash, I felt my skin became more and more drier. Now definitely I'm not going to repurchase it. Now there are some few good points also about this face wash which I would like to mention, that whenever I used it, my skin felt very clean. You can call it squeaky clean. My skin felt very clean. You have seen also in the video. So that is also a very good thing about this face wash. But this face wash works on acne. I have heard about it. I heard from my friends, they had acne problem. They used this face wash for a long time. Now you need to keep one thing in mind, that you are using something for a while, for 5 days, 6 days, 7 days, and you're hoping for miracles to happen. No products is going to work in that way. So I don't have any harsh feelings about this product. Everything which I felt about this product, I told you guys. It really works on acne, but it takes a long time. I don't know about other products. The product works, but takes a long time. So if you can, if you're someone, if you're someone who cannot afford that high range HA BHA face wash, your skin type is oily, you can definitely use this face wash. Give it a try, see what is happening. Don't go for any review, that is important. You may be listening to many reviews and creating a picture, right? But what might work on your skin, that might not work on my skin. This was my review, okay? Something was good, something was not good, but don't fall for that. You use the product because the product is costing only rupees 145 and it's having good ingredients, and yeah, so you can buy and check it out. So guys, this was my honest review about this Globus glycolic salicylic acid face wash. So if you have liked this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel with the bell icon. That is very important. People are not subscribing to my channel with the bell icon. I'm getting subscribers, but people do not understand the importance of that bell button. That is the connection between you and me, guys. And anyways, thank you for watching this video. See you all in my next video. Until then, tata, take care. Bye bye.